Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool plugin for MCreator called Player Poses. And so this is for MCreator version 2023.4 up to 2024.4. And it is compatible for Forge 1.20.1, at least that's what I know of so far. It was requested by one of my comments, so here's the video for you. So you can go ahead and download that. Here we are on the workspace. And so what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be making the player be able to do a little salute animation. And so what we'll go ahead and do to get started is press K for keybind, which I wanted to have like a certain keybind for. So salute, just because I can. And the key that triggers the event, I'm going to do, let's just say G. I don't think anything uses that. It's a little random key, but I can't use S because that's how you go backwards. So what I'm going to do now is on key press the little plus icon. So that way it creates a procedure. I want to keep the name how it is, salute on key press. And so what we're going to do is, in order to be able to activate the mod, we have to change the trigger, the global trigger, and type in render player. That's how we're going to do the animations. That way we can access the player's model, because that's how we're going to let it be able to animate the player's model. In order to be able to find the mod, it's on player procedures actions. If you scroll down, you might see something new. This is basically one of the things. Set the body for Y, root, whatever you want, to whatever level you want of model. These are all just separate procedures. But the main one I'm going to be looking for is in entity procedures, actions. And then what I'm going to do is look for something to do with the arm pose. You'll be able to tell. Here it is, set left arm pose. And then what I could do, and also I can do pose for the entity itself. So that's pretty cool as well. Now see, set left arm. This is the one I'm looking for. And you see the get blank. Don't worry about this. So what we'll do for this is you can go ahead and delete that. Press the delete key. And go down here to where you see model. Double click on that. Dependency model will show. Now this, I don't want to mess with the model. So you keep how it is right here. Drag it in there. And then now you got that. So then what I could do is set the left arm pose to whichever one I want. So block, that's going to be like you holding an item, or maybe like spyglass, throw spear, which the one I'm going to be looking for is the spyglass. So I could set the arm, which arm will pose. Now what I'm going to do is the right arm, because I kind of want to. Now the thing is, we're not done. See, I just saved it, and as you can see, no procedure. This is a problem. It says missing dependencies, and I can't use it. So what I found out I have to do, unfortunately, is I can't use this. What I can do though is go ahead and get rid of this. And then what I'll do is go to search procedure blocks, then MBT tag. This is how we're going to be able to get it to do that. So we look for set custom logic MBT tag, and then name it the tag name to whatever you want. I'm going to do is saluting, and then make it set to true whenever the on key is pressed. Save mod element, go back to salute, should be able to use it now. And what we're going to do now is on key released, do basically the same thing, except now it's just set to false. So we go up here, search MBT, look for set custom logic MBT tag, set it to false, and it has to be the same tag name. So mine is saluting, and then we can drag that in there, click save mod element, and then there you go. So then save the keybind, and this, we're not done yet as well. So now what we can go ahead and do is add new mod element, and then press P for procedure, and then salute animation. That's where I'm going to set it. You can set it however you want, the names. And what we'll do now is do the same thing like how we had it before. We drag out the left arm pose. So get this out, set the same settings, right arm pose, spyglass, set the global procedure to render player. This is whatever procedure has the animation, that's what you set to render player. Now double click on model and delete the original one, replace it with the dependency model. So now you got that done. Now we can go ahead and do is flow control, if do, put it in there. So now what we can go ahead and do is go to logic, this, and then go back to logic again, and then drag out the true. And then what we'll do now is go up here again, search MBT, but we're not doing the set one. We're doing the get custom logic MBT tag, which is all the way down here. Click on that. Now type in the tag name. The same one you've been using is saluting. Whatever one you had. Mine was this saluting. So drag that into here now. And then drag it there. That's all you really got to do. Save my element. Oh, and my mistake, I forgot to mention that on the salute on key pressed, you need to make sure that the global trigger is back to no additional trigger. Otherwise, it might cause some additional glitches, which you don't want. And then now, save model element, and then you can go ahead and test it out in the game. Okay, so here we are in the game, and as you can see, here am I. Now see, I set it to G, so let's go ahead and see what happens. And as you can see, it plays. So yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do in order to be able to have the custom little animations. And as you see, it looks like this whenever I'm running around, so it looks pretty good. If you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, comment down below what tutorials you want me to make, and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.